I just wanted to quickly add on something that I think might be a little helpful. If you watch Jack's interview with Nick Unsworth, I think this ties in real nicely, and it should give a few of you some ideas right away, especially if you've been working with small businesses or have been collecting numbers or have any tracking numbers. So this is something that a lot of people may not have considered, and I hope you find it useful. So what you can do is make sure you have some sort of tracking number in place, or that the small business that you're working with has been keeping track of the numbers and they somehow have access to that. So I'm going to use as an example here, and again, this is not meant to be a super long-winded video, just something to stir up some ideas and maybe get some conversation going. So uh, what I'm going to use is, because I have an idea for a contest that I have with my local plumber and my actual I have a car dealer as well. So what you can do is take, let's take for example the plumber. It's got 617 total calls here, right? What we can do is download the call detail records into a spreadsheet of sorts, and they have it set here by CSV, Excel. So I'm gonna download it as Excel. And if you don't, if you have some, I don't know if you're using a PC or a Mac, but you should have some sort of spreadsheet program on there. If not, good alternative is OpenOffice, and or I just use Google Docs. I'll show you what I do with that right now. What you would do is upload the file. Make sure it's set to convert to the docs format, which I've already done here. So just basically upload it, and then when you open it, what I would do is simply take the numbers column, highlight the whole thing, copy it. Then I'm going to stick that right into this notepad here. And if it's formatted weird, like with the 1 or a plus before it, what I simply do is hit Control H on my computer, or you can do the edit, replace, and I'm just going to do +1, replace all, and it removes that, so it gives you just a clean number. Then I'm going to go ahead and copy them all, and I'm going to go to this website called dedupe, dedupelist.com. Stick that all in there, and then keep note. You can ignore capital. Well, this is all phone numbers, right? So you just stick it in there and just click submit, and it says here 377 original lines, 99 removed, so there's 278 remaining. So some of these were duplicates, and you don't want to have the duplicates. So after you do that, you copy the entire page, or you select all, make this fast, put it right in there. You scroll back to the top, and you just remove the top text, right? And now you're good to go. You have all the phone numbers that you need in order to start advertising using, and you just save it. Save as plumber list or something, whatever you're going to save it as, right? Click save. And then when you go to Facebook, I'm not going to go through the entire steps, but basically you can log in and create an ad here. Manage ads, click on that. And what you do is go to the Power Editor, go to Audiences, and then what you want to do is click on Create Audience, Custom Audience. And I'm going to name this Plumber Leads. And then since we're going to do this by phone number, right, I'm going to choose that file, click on Open, and then all you do is click Create. Then it'll tell you your audience has been uploaded. It may take a while for it to be available for targeting. Click Check on Updates to refresh the status of your audience. And when it's ready, will say ready. Okay. I hope that gave you a whole bunch of ideas. If you don't know what to run contests around, because now what you do is have the power of appearing just in front of that small segmented list, and if people are calling, especially with a service that's repeatable, right, renewable, like food, restaurants, and stuff like that, you can hold contests. But we're going to hold a contest with our plumber, with our local plumber, believe it or not. And if you are looking for ideas for what you can do with local businesses, just do a Google search for local business contest ideas. I came up with 7 Facebook contest ideas for small business on this open forum, which gave me some great ideas. But look around. I hope this helped you out a bunch. And I'm always here for questions. Please feel free to ask. I love talking about this stuff, and I really hope have helped you to move forward. Open Forum, by the way, is owned by American Express. So hope you like that, and I'm here if you need me.